This 2025 Winnebago Mini Winnie 31K is a Class C RV. It is located in Rockford, Illinois, 61101 and is offered for sale by Winnebago Motorhomes. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 32 feet 9 inches in length and features a star, stone, walnut, charcoal interior, sleeps 8, slide out, air conditioning, smoke detector, TV, carbon monoxide detector, skylight, microwave, water heater, leveling jacks, awning, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, front living area. This 2025 Winnebago Mini Winnie 31K is built on a Ford E450 chassis and is powered by a Ford engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Winnebago Motorhomes.